1. Fold your paper in half.
Step 2. Open the paper. Fold in half in the opposite direction. Your paper should not be divided into 4 squares.
Step 3. Take one of the corners and fold it into the center. Step 4. Repeat on the 3 other corners. Step 5. Repeat and fold all 4 corners into the center again. Step 6. Fold the 4 corners around 1 cm. Tip: try to make your triangles as even as possible so you don't end up with an uneven middle. Step 7. Write happy, healthy, then write your name. Step 8. Take the ribbon to the back of the middle.